What's up YouTube? Happy Friday. Today I have a different scenario here. I'm at the gym and I'm about to do my legs/booty workouts. Actually this video is gonna be all about those glutes. So our glutes are composed by the glutes Maximus, Medius, and Minimus. So in this workout today, I'm gonna do 9 different exercises. 3 that gonna target the glutes Maximus, 3 that gonna target the glutes Medius, and 3 that gonna target the glutes Minimus. So if you wanna watch the full workout, just stay tuned for the rest of the video, because it's coming right now. Hello guys, so for the glutes Maximums, we're gonna do some squats, walking lunges, and good mornings. I did 15 reps of the squats, and don't forget to squeeze your glutes. And then on the lunges, I did 15 reps on the way down, and then 15 reps on the way back. So 30 reps in total, great exercise. And then the hamstrings, I did another 15 reps, nice and control. I love this exercise, it's one of my favorites. You really feel it in your glutes and hamstrings, and feel the stretch. Okay, let's talk about the glutes medius. So I did some crab walks, side steps, and hip abduction. The crab walks, I did 15 reps for each side, 30 in total, and then side steps again, 15 reps for each side. I really love this exercise. You feel the burn in the quads and the glutes. And then last but not least, the hip abduction. I love this machine. I like to control the weight, so I like to do nice and slowly and feel the fullness in your glutes. The last 2 exercises are for the glutes minimus. So I did single leg deadlifts, and if you have difficulty in your balance, you can hold on to something like I'm doing here. I did 15 reps and then 15 reps of side bridges. It was actually my first time trying this exercise. It's a little bit awkward, but you really feel it in your glutes and abs. And then last but not least, I did the reverse hyperextension, and this is my favorite of them all because the burn was real. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you Sunday.